This video will show you how to load a saved normalized yield map and create application zones that can be exported to a controller for a variable rate application of a product. In the last video, we walked through how to create and save a normalized yield layer. So now that we've done that, what can we do with it other than printing it to a file or a page? The zones made from normalized yield can be used to apply products at different rates. I'll start from the beginning and walk through each step to creating an application file from normalized yield. Start by logging into the FSAIS dashboard at dashboard.greenplan.com. Once logged in, click the Field Manager tile to open it. A new tab will open in your browser. Now browse to a field that has a saved normalized yield layer. The normalized yield layer will have a light blue YN icon. Right-click this and choose Load Data. You'll notice that the data loads under the Spread Map Zones tab. And depending on your internet connection, this data might take a few seconds to load onto the page. You'll see the normalized yield map once it's loaded. To create a variable rate application from these zones, click the drop-down arrow next to the product box. You may have to scroll down the page to see this. For this example, I'll use seed. If you're creating a variable rate seeding application, you'll also need to choose seed from the nutrient box. Now I'll click the Add button. This will add the product selected to the zone rates area. And I can now enter a seeding rate for each zone. The seeding rate needs to be entered in K seeds per acre, or 1,000 seeds per acre. Since the red areas of the map represent historically lower yields, I'll assign a lower rate of 28,000 seeds per acre. The yellow zone has an average yield performance, so I'll assign 30,000 seeds per acre. And the green zones have consistently yielded higher, so I'll up the population here to 33,000 seeds per acre. Now that we have assigned a seeding rate to each zone, we can use the buttons at the bottom of the screen. Preview Application gives you an on-screen view of what the seeding recommendation will look like. Create Application Report will generate a PDF document that can be printed or saved to a file. If you'd like to save this recommendation to the grower tree for later use, you can click Save Application. When doing this, you'll be prompted to name the application for easier identification. By default, the application will be named the month, day, and year it was created. And click OK to finalize so this file can be exported at a later date. If you're ready to export the application to a controller file immediately, you can choose Save and Initiate Export or Initiate Export. To do this, you'll first need to pick a controller type to send the file to. Most major brands of monitors will support a generic shapefile export. These are the steps to using the normalized yield to create a variable rate seeding application. You can also use the normalized yield zones to create variable rate applications of other products from your list. If you don't see the specific product you're looking for in the list, contact your FSAIS sales manager to have it added.